Ready, lift. Okay, bring it up here. Ready, lift. Okay, bring it up here. Watch your step.
How many crates left on this shipment?
About 20. We're moving fast today.
This batch looks perfect.
Ready for shipment.
All right, bring the end up here.
Careful now.
Got it, stacking it steady.
Smooth logistics powered by a dedicated fleet. We navigate the countryside, ensuring your cargo arrives precisely on schedule.
Here we see the intricate network of cellulose fibers slowly being teased apart from the surrounding pulp.
The macro lens reveals the astonishing network of cellulose fibers, glistening as they slowly pull away from the sugary pulp.
The moisture levels spiked here, correlating with the Sector 3 humidity.
But the tensile strength dropped significantly. This spike in the stem quality index correlates directly with the new irrigation system in Sector 4.
Exactly. The moisture retention levels are optimal now.
Good work, let's implement this across the board.
textile fiber offers softness and flexibility. The industrial variant provides
Where some see only waste, we see the raw materials for a new future. The transition to a circular economy is now.